Assalamu alaikum class 4. How are you? Hope you are fine. Please open your English books and keep your pencils in your hands and open the contents page first. Students, today we will discuss that what we have done so far and what will be the power of papers and what will not be the power of papers, okay? So far we have done our lesson number 1, Pippi Longstockings, then a poem, A Night in June, with its summary as well, then a lesson, Pip Meets a Convict, and then an Anansi and Five, then the poem Leisure and its summary as well. Then we did our lesson, The Ambassador's Disguise. So far, this is we have done. And even from these lessons, we have done the selective exercises, isn't it? So already we have shortened our syllabus as much as possible, students. Our syllabus was till the story of Dr. Dolittle, and we have already missed the lesson, the storyteller, then this whole lesson, variety entertainment, and from railway carriage. We have missed that all. You must be knowing that. So, from these lessons, if any of you don't have anything, any exercise or any confusion, anything you want to ask, you can ask me in my personal number, right? Then, in our grammar portion, you must be having, before vacations, we have completed our 2 essays, My Favorite Book and Morning Walk. We have done the story, A Foolish Stag. Then we did application of leave to attend marriage ceremony of brother. Then we did letter to brother to congratulate him on his new job, right? So, in grammar portion, this all will be the power of your paper, okay? Students, our paper, as you are quite familiar with the format of our paper. The format is of 40-60. 40% is of your objective types and 60% is your subjective type. And the grammar portion, where essays and story and application and letter, then the question answers, sentences, these all are. And especially one more thing we will be doing in this term, the composition, which you have attempted yourself. You remember, you have done your self writings and you are very good at that. So I will also include that, okay? And words meaning are not the part of your paper. Fine? Understood? Don't worry about that. And the workbook selective activities which we have done. This is all about your paper. So if any of you are confused about anything, you can ask me. Now I am going to let you know the paragraphs for dictation. You know that we have 5 numbers of dictation and 5 numbers of reading in our exams. So keep your pencils in your hands and underline, mark the paragraphs for dictation from your lesson number 1, Pippi Longstockings. Students, from here, on the first day after they come home again, they stood by the gate. From here till the last line of this paragraph, this is the way she looked till here. This whole paragraph is paragraph number 1 for dictation, right? Okay, come to next page. This paragraph from Pippi walked along the street with one foot from here till she stopped. This is dictation 2, paragraph 2. Come to the last page. From Shaw, said Tommy, and realized suddenly from here till the last, and bowed politely. This is our paragraph 3rd. Got it? Okay. So here is lesson number 2, Pip Meets a Convict, and this whole lesson is for reading. From anywhere from this lesson, I can ask you to read. Students, our paper is quite easy. I'm telling you that I have already given you only the selected things. So paper will be revolved around from those things. So don't worry about paper. Only be good and be firm in your in your revision session, which we are going to start now. Okay, so this is all about the instructions what I wanted to give you about exams. Even if you have any question, you are most welcome. You are always welcome. Okay, stay blessed and good.